The vibrant palette of each skein of Silly Socks Flower Pop will immediately take you into a beautiful garden filled with bright colored flowers. Our Silly Socks Flower Pop yarn is made out of 75% wool, which will keep your feet warm and cozy, while the 25% polyamide or nylon will make your socks resistant and sturdy. It comes in a 100-gram skein or 3.5 ounces for 400 meters or 437 yards. And one single skein will be enough to make a pair of standard sized socks. Silly Socks Flower Pop is super wash treated, and this means that it can be machine washed at 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will make your life way easier when taking care of your beautiful socks. Even though this is a classical sock yarn, please don't limit yourself to only knitting socks with it. Cardigans for children, mittens, and beanies can all be created with this yarn. So feel free to play with your creativity and work with two threads simultaneously. That means you lay the thread from the outside together with the thread from the inside, and the colors will then get mixed even more, creating an even more unexpected and fun effect that will look great in small projects as well as in big ones. But if you want to stick to creating socks, one skein of 100 grams is enough for a standard pair of socks until size 40. That's a UK size 6.5 or a US size 8.5. For socks bigger than that, please make sure to get 2 skeins. We cannot wait for you to get into the next craft adventure with Silly Socks Flower Pop.